Hi again. Next section into our settings tab is highlight weekends or public holidays. Maybe it seems a pretty unnecessary thing, but I had requests to highlight some some of my feedbacks were related to this. Some of you wanted to highlight to have the weekends and public holidays highlighted. Others didn't want that, and to meet somewhere in the middle and give you the option for all of you, for for all of you, to use this in the proper way you want. I had to discuss, and we have decided to build this option here. What this is does, this is doing. Basically, you have all the options available. You have the option for Saturday, for Sundays, and for public holidays, and you have in the right side uh, the option to select yes or not. First of all, please do not do not update these cells with red text. If you are working with the Google Sheet version, please do not update it. If you are working with a Microsoft Excel version, that will be password protected and it will not be any issue at all, because you will not be allowed to update it. You will get the password, also all the passwords, to unprotect any sheet, any cells you would like to. But going forward, you have these options here. So let's uncheck, let's select no for all of them. What that is doing, it will show you the tracker without any highlights for the Saturdays, for the Sundays, or for the public holidays. Okay, and that will be the for the ones who doesn't need any highlights for the weekend, any indicator to see when it is a Sunday or Saturday or a public holiday. You just select no, I don't want to highlight any of these, any Saturdays, I don't want to highlight any Sundays, or I don't want to highlight any holidays. Okay, but in case some of you would like to highlight only the holidays, meaning the holidays you have recorded here, public holidays, and we see for the December we have 25, 26, 30 and 31 December. I want to highlight only those into the calendar. Just simply select yes, I want highlight holidays, and when we are going into the employees per month and we are previewing the calendar, we see that 26, 27, 30 and 31, which are recorded as public holidays here, are highlighted into the calendar. Or if we are going for November, we see that the calendar is updated automatically and only Friday 24 November is highlighted, because we have only one public holiday recorded for the month of November, meaning 24 November 2023, as a Thanksgiving Day. Okay, let's go back to December because we have more DME data to prove our point here in this month. Okay, so we have highlighted public holiday. Going forward with the scenario, let's presume we don't want to highlight holiday. We select not, but we want to highlight only Sundays, all the Sundays, and select yes for Sundays. Going back into the calendar, we see that only Sundays are highlighted, and it's very easily to notice from top to the bottom which is where is the Sunday days or not. Let's presume I don't want Sundays, I want only Saturdays. Let's choose Sundays no, Saturdays yes, and going back we see now that only Saturdays are highlighted, and same for all the rest. If I want Sundays or Saturdays, select yes for both and it will be highlighted. If I want Sundays, Saturdays and holidays also, select yes, and we have everything highlighted, with one thing in mind: holidays highlight option is based on the public holidays dates you have recorded in the below section. Okay, that would be all. If you have any issues, if you have any update request, any idea you'd like to have implemented into this tracker, please let me know, and we will proceed to update this. Thank you. Have a good day.